At this point, the footers are already poured, with the stem walls poured directly on top. That perimeter of concrete you see forming all those rectangular shapes around the image, that's your stem wall system. That's your stem wall, where all the exterior walls will sit and transfer their load down. The red lines you see here indicate load-bearing lines. That should be clear. Your piers show where concrete piers will carry loads down to a footer. Your grade beams tie it all together, and this house has all three. What that means is loads transfer through beams spanning wall to wall, and on each end of that beam sits a pier or footer carrying the weight down. This applies all the way up to the trusses. Girder beams carry thousands of pounds, and every bit of that load must transfer to a footer, pier, or grade beam. You simply cannot rest it on a 4-inch slab or it will crack and fail. So these red lines mark your load-bearing lines, pier locations, and grade beam locations. This also tells the plumber exactly where he can and cannot run his lines. You can run lines through a footer. They just need to be sleeved properly. But this layout guides him on routing his drain lines, since everything will be buried under concrete. Once the plumber lays all his lines, we fill with gravel, bringing it up to within 4 to 5 inches of the top of the stem wall. Then we add a vapor barrier, steel reinforcement, and pour the slab.